YouTube, it's your boy Mass Money, and yes, this is another episode of Exposing Discords, man. You know, I mean, when I do these videos, it's not always going to be about bad, but I also talk about the good things about certain Discords. But Chris Sain Discord, man, I don't know, man. It's off the chain, man, and not in a good way. I mean, it's alright, it depends, like, you know, I've been in there for a few months now. There's times you get some good plays, but there's just times you get some damn questionable stuff, man. So let's get right to it. I'll tell you guys what I'm talking about. Right here's those little announcements. The morning announcements is decent. You know, he puts the little spy levels, but man, you can get the spy levels in like pretty much any Discord out there. Free deals. Like every Discord, the admins post the levels for the day. Right? So the thing right here, they got these things that are called pro investors, right? So they got this guy named Zaddy. It's like, this guy's a joke, man. Like I don't know, like in October he was posting good plays, and now it's just junk. And like lately, you just haven't been posting nothing. Like see right here, it'll say like close, and it'll say WA. That's a ticker, and it'll show the profit that he made supposedly. And then over here, he opened the play back up, but obviously you don't know he hasn't closed it. And look at it, it's 8:39 p.m. and this thing's still not closed. I'm like, yeah, they can forget to close stuff, but this guy's been doing this like often. And yeah, I mean, it's up to the person that's buying it. They should be closing that stuff out too. But like this guy's been doing this thing like often. He's been slipping on. Like he'll even have like a post. He'll be like, "Oh, sorry, I forgot to close that." I'm like, dude, you guys are getting paid to do this stuff. But I don't know how much he's getting paid, but they're getting paid to be these pro investors. They ain't doing it for free. And if they're not getting paid, they're using the Discord to fish people in to come to their Discord and pay their $50 a month and whatnot. Cause I was on another group with this guy, and he was like posting, "Oh, come to this," and he posted some good decent plays, but they want you to pay big money for their Discords. But whatever. So some of these plays are like bad. Like this WBA play, it went bad. I tried it. I don't know how he got 30%, but he claims he got that. But some people like, they'll put like bad emojis in there, like the play goes bad. Like, see how this one, they put the little, you know what, emoji, question mark, sad face. You know, that means that someone probably got roasted and didn't make money on the play. So, whatever, but anyways, main thing is like Chris Sain, he's not really like posting stuff in the Discord. So, people that come in here thinking that you're going to deal with Chris Sain, he's not. Like, I rarely ever see him come to the Discord. He used these pro investors. They're the ones that have given out plays. This guy gives out, you know, like the pretty much like everything that's going on in the economy and all that, and just a whole rundown of what to expect and whatnot. You know, they do like pre-market analysis and all that stuff. So that guy, the Mario guy, he's decent. They got this Curtis guy. I don't know. He's all right. Like I see this guy get into a lot of penny stock. I don't like trading penny stocks. People make money, that's good for you, but I've never made any money in penny stock. Penny stock is crap. You have to constantly watch it. You turn around, it's gone, you lost your money, it's not coming back. It's trash. I don't like trading penny stocks. This guy, I don't know, I haven't watched him too much. He does the same thing as the Mario guy. He just posts the levels and, oh, the market's going to do this and CPI, that's it. So, those I like about the Chris Sain Discords, that they got the little bot commands, and you can type the say / whatever in the company name, and it'll show you the resistance, second resistance, all that. That's cool. I like that. So I guess you get your money worth it for that. Maybe, I guess, I don't know. Because like I know you can probably sign up to get these alerts. I don't know if they're free from that options farm bot or if you got to pay or whatever. It's included. And they have like the general stocks where people. Usually, like, you can tell a lot of people here like newbie, they don't know nothing, man. Like some people know what they're doing, but some people just come here just to brag. Oh, I made $4,000, but they don't explain how or what contracts they bought or nothing. I don't like that. You know what I mean? On my YouTube, I explain to you how I make the money or if I'm losing money. You know, I don't post every day like I used to, but you know, I'm trying out different things because I've been posting all that stuff and it's not, getting up there. But whatever. So as you can see, one of his comments, he said he banned somebody. I guess he must have banned some bot or something like that. But whatever. I mean, it's pretty chill on the Discord, but it's not what you think. Like, you're gonna go in there and Chris Sain's gonna start dropping plays and all that crap. It's not it, man. And I see a lot of people come in here, they're like, where's Chris Sain? Where's Chris Sain? And then one of the pro investors were like, Chris Sain does not post here, so just look here if you want plays and all this stuff like that. But the play's not that good. Like, alright, the alpha guy, he'll post stuff, like he'll post the levels. And you know, a lot of times, you know, you can make money to hit them levels, but like today, he posted the levels, right? And the stock didn't go nowhere near those levels. Let's see when he posted the levels. So he posted, I want to say around 9 something, right here. Buy double calls and puts. 380 for calls. Okay, yeah, so we did break 380, but I mean, it went to 380 and it went to 382 barely. It took a while to get there, so like, you been holding calls all day, you would have got ate up by the premium and data and all that stuff. So the market didn't move that much today. So, and for the puts, it did go down a little bit for the puts, but it was quick. It was quick. If you caught that, you're a pro. It didn't stay down there at all. So, yeah, he's like the only decent one in the alpha trader. So, don't come in here thinking that, you know, Chris Sain's gonna be sitting there guiding you and stuff like that. It's not what it is, man. But it's only $5 a month, so I'm still watching it. I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord. But I mean, I made money in it, but that was like 2 months ago, like October. And that was like, October was like kind of bullish. Everybody was making money. Didn't matter who. It's like October was like one of the biggest months so far in a while. So, but the last, like November, December has been crap. Everything's been going down. So, but yeah, I mean, yeah, you should be able to play up and down, but all these Discords, they don't play down too much. These guys always post a lot. Oh, when the market's going up, you gotta, hey, I think spies this, da. But it is what it is, man. So I'll be doing more Discords. I'll be posting more videos like this. If you guys like it, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll join these Discords so you don't have to. And if you like this, like and comment. I don't care if it's a hate comment or whatever. Say something, you know. That's fine. But I'm just trying to look out for the people that don't want to get screwed or waste their time, man. There's good Discords out there, man. There's good ones out there. I'll post them in the future. But right now I'm chilling out. I don't want to jump into too many Discords because you'll get lost. Anyways, if it don't make money, it don't make sense. Peace out.